Hello everybody, and welcome to a really quick, hopefully simple video on how to obviously adjust your free Wix templates really that hopefully you've received either from myself or from somebody in your upline, and I just want to show you two things really. Firstly, how you can edit it really quickly, and secondly, how you can then transfer that website to your downline in turn as well. So I think it's a really great marketing tool. Firstly, because obviously it gets people to understand what our opportunity is, because it could be quite seen as quite a complicated opportunity with a front end and a back end all sort of merged into one. But also it will help you as far as marketing, because obviously everybody loves something that's free, and you know, I think this website is, well, I know this website is working really well, and I think the more people that use it and develop it and work and find out what works for them, the better it will be. So that's a little brief introduction. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to wix.com. You need to register. So obviously I'm registered, I'm signed in, but you need to register an email, and what I would suggest with that email is that it is a sensible email. Don't make it I don't know, I'm a silly idiot at gmail.com, for example, because the email, your email address itself will form part of your address for your website. So obviously mine is winningconceptsteam at gmail.com, therefore my website address is winningconceptsteam. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. I've had one or two oddities, shall we say, sent through to me, and I've asked people to reconsider what they're calling their email or their website. So that's the first thing you need to do. And then once you've got your account all set up, all you then need to do is send that email address that you've used to your sponsor or to me, and then what they'll then do is they'll then transfer their website to you. And so you'll have a ready built website in your back office. So let's go over and have a look at that. So what we're going to do first of all is obviously I'm signed in, so we'll go and click on account, and that will take us through to the back office of wix.com. Okay, and my back office obviously looks something like this. So I've just got the one website up and running at the moment. So when you come in, you may have a message, you may have an email, I'm unsure how it works, but essentially you'll have no problem in finding the email or the website that I've sent to you, or your upline has sent to you. So as you can see, I've got hopefully a sensible web address, which is winningconceptsteam.wix.com/team-tsunami. So all I do is I just click on this button here which says edit site. Click on that, the website, and obviously it is all editable. So if you don't like the font, if you don't like the wording, if you don't like the pictures or the links or anything like that, then you can change absolutely anything. So I'm just going to show you just a few things. The first two are, the first thing to do, the links, because at the moment this website has got all my links attached to it. So the first thing to do is to simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay, and we've got three red buttons here. Now these will be linked to my Penny Matrix ID and my Explosial ID. So it's really important that you change these, because obviously all your hard work will mean that I start to benefit, which is very nice and I would appreciate it, but clearly is not the object of the exercise for yourself. Now at the moment this button here just links them back to a YouTube video, because the actual Pinoy website isn't live. However, that will go live within, I think, about 4 or 5 days maybe from now. So by the time you're watching this video, perhaps this link will also be available for you as well. So all we're going to do is we're going to change one of these links, and I'll just show you how easy it is. You literally put your mouse over whatever it is you want to change, and it is a very intuitive system, i.e. if you think you can do it, then it will allow you to do it. So you want to change this, so put the mouse over it and just do a double click. Okay, so as you can see, I've done a double click. Now you can do anything with this. You can change the wording, and you can, more importantly, and that's it. Then you just obviously click save or update, and that's it. It really is that simple. If you want to change, oops, not sure what's happened there. Get rid of that. If you want to change any of the wording, again, I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you want to change the videos, again, just double click it and just follow the instructions. It really is very, very simple. Okay, so I've just scrolled back up to the top here now. Now, someone has asked me, what does a bespoke call center mean? And that just set me thinking, is that perhaps my wording isn't great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this now. So all I need to do is just simply do a double click. Okay, and it comes up like this in a big text box, and again you can change font, color, anything you like about this. So I'm going to change this word here, which is bespoke, and I'm going to call it purpose built. So purpose built. Okay, and then I'll just get rid of the rest. There we go. So just check this works. Okay, so by leveraging the power of our purpose-built call center, you can now. So I'm happy with that, and I will just click on the side here, get rid of that, and this is another cool thing. So now I've got rid of the text editing bit. I can actually, as you can see, just click down here with my left mouse button, and then I could, in theory, just drag this around and reposition it and just make sure I'm really happy with it all lined up. And if I'm happy with all that, that's great, it's done. And of course, after you've done everything, it's really important that you press the save button. So you press that first, and obviously that will save all your changes. Then it just tells you that obviously everything is saved. And then finally you need to publish it, because at the moment it's not on the internet. So you just click the publish button, and obviously it then goes through its various, asks you a couple of questions, and you just click yes, I'm okay with all that. So you want it SEO and everything like that, so just click yes, and away it goes, and it publishes it for you. And there we go. So it's all published. If you want to check it, you just obviously click on that link and it'll show you what it looks like on the internet, and that's it. Alright, so let's go on to how we actually transfer this website to somebody in your downline. Okay, so I'm back at the back office now, and again, Wix couldn't make this any simpler. You just simply click this button here, which is support, and that will take you through to I guess the frequently asked questions section. And as you can see here, there's lots of things you can search on. So if you're stuck on anything, then obviously there are lots of useful videos, and you know, obviously there's obviously everything that you're going to likely to want to look at on the frequently asked questions section. However, we're going to make it really easy. So all you're going to do is go into the search box and put in transfer my site or something like that, and then just click search. Okay, and as I said before, there's useful videos that will show you how to do it, and basically you just follow the instructions. So here we go, so click for more information. So I think we'll click on that button there, which is where you should be. Again, you can scroll down and that will then take you to another link. So just go past yet another video, and what we're looking for is this here, where it says number 2, click here. So we just click on that there, and that's the last step that you need to do. So it doesn't get any more difficult than that. Yeah, I mean, you may have a number of different websites, but obviously the one I've got here, which is at the top, and then you click on here, it says transfer site, so click on that button. do is just simply type in or copy and paste the email that's been sent to you. So I don't know, perhaps it is my site at gmail.com. Simple as that. That's the email that gets sent to the requesting teammate, and then all you do here is you just click on this transfer button. So just click on that, and then this box comes up and it says, are you sure that you want to send that to that Gmail account? And then you would click this button here. Now when you click it, it will obviously try to send it. Now if it is a genuine email address that is already registered with Wix, it will go through. If it's not, then obviously it will come back as a fault or a rejected email. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you do really simple editing with the template that I'll be sent to you. You can change absolutely anything. It is your website. I'm not precious of I just send all my traffic to it now, and it's converting people like crazy into Penny Matrix and into Explosial, and it's just working really well. Just make sure that you change your links, and just make sure that oops. Chaos is raining now. Just make sure that you change your link to your links on those red buttons. Alright, and then just transfer it to your team and just make sure that they're promoting it as well, because like I say, it just works really well. Take care now, and I'm sure I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.